Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn on dark theme on Facebook on your iPhone and Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So whether if you're on an iPhone or an Android, first of all open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you will have to tap on the bottom on your profile picture and then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down a bit, and in preferences section, you'll be able to find an option of dark mode on the bottom, or you can simply tap on the search bar on the top right and then search for dark mode. You'll have to tap on dark mode, and now by default it will be turned off. You can if you want to turn it on, you can simply tap on the bottom top right corner of your screen, and I'll recommend you to select the system because it will change the theme of your Facebook application according to the theme of your mobile phone. And whenever you'll turn off dark theme on your phone like this, it will automatically turn it off on your Facebook account. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.